Hello and welcome, my dear students. Hope you all are fine. In today's video, we will be looking into the extra questions of the chapter New Questions and Ideas from your history book of the Social Studies syllabus. In this video, we will be looking into all the extra questions of the chapter New Questions and Ideas. So, without much wasting time, let's start the video. So now, let's start with our first question. When was Gautam Buddha born? The answer to this question is Gautam Buddha was born about 2500 years ago. What was the early name of Gautam Buddha? The answer is he was earlier known as Siddhartha. Question number 3 is where did Buddha decide to find his own path to realization? The answer to this question is at Bodh Gaya in Bihar, he decided to find his own path to realization. Question number 4 where did Buddha go to teach first time? At Sarnath, he decided to teach for the first time. Question number 5. Who thought that people should be kind and respect others? It was none other than Gautam Buddha who thought that people should be kind and respect others. Number 6 is who is famous Tirthankara of Jains? Lord Mahavira is the famous Tirthankara of Jains. Question number 7. Buddha belonged to which Gana? The answer to this question is Gautam Buddha belonged to Sakya Gana and it was a very small Gana. Question number 8. What does Upanishad literally mean? Upanishads literally means approaching and sitting near. Question number 9. Who went door to door to find out whether anybody died there? It was Kisa Gautami. She went door to door to find out whether anybody died there or not. Number 10. Who believed that the result of our action is karma? Gautam Buddha believed that the result of our action is karma. Whatever karma we do, the result is according to that. 11. Which is the most famous of all Upanishads? The most famous of all Upanishads is Chandrodogya Upanishad. Question number 12. At what age did Mahavira leave his home and go to live in a forest? Mahavira left his home at the age of 30 years and went to live in a forest. 13. What was Mahavira's teaching? Mahavira had taught the people that live and let live. Question number 14. What was the term from where the word Jainas came? The answer to this question is Jina. The term Jina is the word from where the word Jainas came. Question number 15. Who are the ancestors of today's Parsis? The answer to this question is Zoroastrians are the ancestors of today's Parsis. The pronunciation of the word is Zoroastrians. Zoroastrians. They are the today's Parsis. Question number 16. Where did nun and monks live? The nun and the monks lived in monasteries or viharas. Dear students, the picture which you can see above is the picture of a monasteries, and the picture below down is the picture of a viharas. So the nuns and the monks live in viharas or monasteries. Question number 17. What did bhikkhus mean? The word bhikkhus means beggars. They were the beggars who usually preached the Buddhism. That means they followed the Buddhism religion and they used to beg to earn their livelihood. Question number 18 is, what is the name of the book where rules of Buddhist Sangha were written? The name of the book was Vinayaka Pitaka, where all the rules of the Buddhist Sangha were written. Question number 19 is, what is the name of the religion of the followers of Jainas known as? The religion of the followers of the Jainas were known as Jainism. That means Jainism was the name of the religion of the followers of Jainas. Question number 20. What did the Brahmins develop when Jainism and Buddhism were becoming popular? The answer to this question is, the system of ashramas developed when Jainism and Buddhism were becoming popular. Question number 21, we have named the 4 ashramas. Now what do we mean by the term ashrama? It does not mean a place where people live and meditate, but it was used for a stage of life. So the first stage of life which people had to live was the brahmacharya. Then he had to live the life of a grihastha. The third stage of life was the Banaprastha, and the last and the fourth stage of life was the Sannyasins. Question number 22. Who were not allowed to study the Vedas? The answer to this question is, women were not allowed to study the Vedas.